This video will show you how to use the dual frequency GPS feature on your Garmin watch. In mountains, forest, or cities full of tall buildings, your watch cannot locate the GPS signal precisely because of the environmental conditions. By using the multi-band feature in the activity setting, you can reduce the environmental interference to the GPS signal receiving. Single frequency GPS only uses the L1 band, and for dual frequency GPS, it also uses the L5 band. The L5 band makes it easier to distinguish real signals from the ones reflected by buildings. So the multipath effect caused by tall buildings in urban environments will be reduced. Comparing to single frequency GPS, dual frequency GPS can get more accurate data in bad environments. The recorded track logs are thereby more stable and continuous. To enable dual frequency GPS, select an outdoor activity you want to do. In this video, we will use climb for demonstration. Select climb. Hold the up key to enter the activity menu. Select climb settings. Select satellites. Select all plus multiband. Press the back key twice to return to the data screen. Once the GPS locating is done, you are ready to go. That's it. Thanks for watching.